Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I am going to do a review on some beautiful items from Born Pretty Store. Born Pretty Store is currently celebrating their 10th anniversary, guys, so go check them out. They're having some super awesome sales. I will also share my discount code so you can take advantage of that for a 10% discount in addition to the what's going on. So this is going to be a fairly quick, easy video. So I have a couple of stamping plates and some water decals. So this stamping plate that I have here, I love this one. It's called the Skeleton World L001. I have already removed it from the package and removed the blue plastic off of it. So here it is. And one thing that I noticed in this plate, so it still has a nice protected backing on the back, but it doesn't have the logo, Born Pretty Store logo, which is fine. So it does say it's Born Pretty Skeleton World L001. And this one, oh my gosh, it is super cool because I love the skulls and the, well, it says world, but it's more like galaxy motif with it. So you have the moon, you have some stars and some planets on here. So I think this is a super cool combination. I've never seen anything like this. I've seen either just some really cool skull stamping images or galaxy images. This is like you have the best of both worlds. Super neat. And so I am going to do a swatch of this plate, testing a few of the images. I already did a design using this image right here, and I will leave you with the picture at the end. Then the other stamping plate that I have, so we can do a test with, is this one. Is a Nicole Diary plate, Nicole Diary 182. Here's the back. In Nicole Diary's place, these small ones have the Nicole Diary logo sticker on the back. And here are the images I do like. So this one right here could be something like I don't know, I will say bubbles, but it could be like an animal print. Very neat. And with it, here's some bubbles right here. These are bubbles and these are bubbles. Straight lines are always fun to play with when it comes to geometric designs. And then these right here, I use this image on a design for my sister, and I will leave you with that picture at the end as well. So let's do swatches on this and you get to see how well this plate works. And another item that I have are these beautiful, very bright color water decals. Take a look, guys. Now, unfortunately, I really don't want to break these open for a review. It's, you know, yeah, kind of like the off-season knot. I really want to save these for some designs on myself or either clients later on in the spring and summer coming up, because look at this. I have been looking for water decals and images with these tropical birds for ages. Okay, I've always been on the lookout for them and never found them before. I came across these, I was like, oh my gosh, look at these. So we have the parrot and we have some, these are tropical birds with the tropical flowers. I'm so saving this for the summertime. I will have, here's the item number, but I will have the link down in the description bar below for this one. If you've been on the lookout for some bright color tropical bird water decals, and then look at these gorgeous flowers. Again, looking for bird decals, what do we have here? This is a hummingbird. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Yes, you know I am saving these, but yeah, you have seen how I do the application on water decals. I just had to bring you the attention on these beautiful items and how they are available in Born Pretty Store. And you can get them from there as well. Now let's go ahead and start with the swatches on the stamping plates. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so let me bring you up close to these image testing, these swatches. Oh my gosh, check out the detail on these fine lines and dots on these images. Look at that, see that? Look how well that's stamped. So I tested about every other image on the L00 stamping plate. Wow, look at that. See that? Nice and detail. How well it's stamped. So very good quality stamping plates with Born Pretty store. Check out the images. And who doesn't love this theme? Oh my gosh, it's so cool. And then the Nicole Diary, that one did really well. Also, see the lines here, the bubbles. This is a fun plate. Here we go. And this one could be like, this could be rocks. It could be an animal print. Or this one, you can take it depending on, you can even color it in. Very neat. And then this image right here. So yes, very good quality stamping plates. This concludes my review video today, guys. Remember that I will have all the links down in the description bar below. Take advantage of Born Pretty Store's 10th anniversary celebration during this week until October 16th. That it's a Friday. Remember, my 10% discount code is IDUK31. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.